Thank you, Mr. President. Mr. President, human rights are the backbone of human dignity. Peace can only be expected when the human rights are respected, promoted, and protected. Let us get rid of might is right. The human right violations are massive and wide in situation of conflict, where people under occupation are struggling for their inalienable rights and self-determination. The occupying states resort more frequently to repression with an intention to make the truth proverbial casualties. This is what's happening in Indian occupied state of Jammu and Kashmir. We, the Kashmiris who live with the consequences of this repression, are witnessed to unjustifiable assaults by the Indian occupation forces on freedom, life and property of all those who dare to speak or protest. Torture. Torture is used as a political weapon in Indian occupied Kashmir. It manifests itself in many cruel forms, such as rape of the women, arbitrary detention, and extrajudicial killings. President Sir, Indian occupied Kashmir is one of such regions where illegal and arbitrary detentions are part of routine life. Laws have been formed that facilitate human rights violation with complete protection against prosecution. As a result, human rights violations have drastically increased. I would like to request Human Rights Council to urge the Government of India and stop its repressive measures and recall all those laws that are in violation to human rights standards and UN conventions. We also request the Council to urge India to allow special procedures, NGOs and media to visit Jammu and Kashmir to assess the human rights violation therein. I thank you, Mr. President.